Frank finds out that there's going to be a fight in the locker room after school. What should he do? Choice A, tell a trusted adult. If he tells the principal or a parent or your rap teacher, they can help to stop the fight. Nobody will get hurt. Nobody will get in trouble. But what if the teacher says it was Frank that told? People could call Frank a snitch if they knew he told. Frank's friendship could go wrong with the people if they knew that he was the one who told. And Frank might not trust the teacher as much if they tell other students that he was the one who told. So the trusted adult needs to respect the vault and not say it was Frank who reported it. Then people would still trust Frank if the teacher doesn't say it was him who told. The fight wouldn't happen, so nobody would get hurt. Nobody will get in trouble. What kind of trouble could they get in for fighting? It could affect them in school and out of school. Someone could get seriously injured in a fight. Things could get broken. The police might get called, and people might get suspended. Choice B would be, don't tell anyone. If Frank doesn't tell, there would be a fight. Someone could get injured. Property could get damaged. Someone could get injured or killed. There could be serious consequences. The police could get called and you might have to go to juvie. School property could get damaged. You could get suspended. And your future could really change because of this choice. The parents might have to pay for someone's medical bills. You could have to pay for damage to the school. It might be expensive. The effects might be long-lasting. And the people involved might regret it. Choice C would be that Frank could join in on the fight. If he decides to jump into the fight, someone in the fight would get ganged up on. The cops might get called. Someone might press charges and Frank would be in big trouble. Frank and the other people could get arrested. Their reputations would be bad and people might not want to hang out with him anymore. The fight could get posted on social media. If this gets posted online, they could get in trouble. Things that get posted online can stay there forever. The school could see, your parents might find out, someone might show the cops. So the last choice would be the positive results of picking choice A, which is what we think Frank should do. That way, no fight happens. People would still trust Frank if the teacher or trusted adult didn't say it was him who reported it. There would be no injuries. People wouldn't be in trouble. Everyone is safe. Nothing gets damaged. And most importantly, people could still be friends. Instead, they could try to talk it out, maybe with that trusted adult's help, and they could try to solve the problem.